Hi, this is Ravida Ramesh from Pro Media. Today we are going to see how to create YouTube thumbnails for YouTube videos using pixellab. Please subscribe to channel. Don't forget to give a like and give a comment. Let's start our video. Let's open pixellab. Now go to this option and go to image size. Make it to 720, or you can go to this option, custom option, and you can choose YouTube thumbnail. Now you don't want this text option, we will delete it. Let's make some background. For this you are going to select shape tool and select rectangle, make it make it bigger. Let's give some color. Let's enable. Let's give this color. Give OK. Now we are going to rotate. Rotate, make some bigger, make the shape as and give OK. Now we'll change this color, give some color to other part of the image. This is a search engine ranker. Go to plus icon and choose image from gallery. Give OK. Now we will resize it. Resize the image. Now we'll add some text. Go to this row and press OK. Now the text is here. As we type some text. Now go to size, text size option. We will make it little bigger. Give OK. I will change the text color to not like red. Give OK. If you want, you can change the font. Let's try some fonts. Give OK. I think this looks good. Let's give some decoration to our text. Simple decoration. Let's make text as embossed. So then, okay. Let's add some more text. Okay. Now we'll drag this here. Now Let's change it will make it big. Okay? So change, give some color to the text. Let's change some font. We should choose this font. Let's resize our letters. Let's bold it. Let's make letters like emboss. Little. Okay. Let's add some. There are a lot of options here. You can change the image. Here are a lot of shape too. You can also add some images here. Just choose sticker. Let's make it look better. Let's give some color. Give OK. Let make it emboss. Let's add more text here. More text. Let's give OK. Let's make the letters bigger. Change the size of the letters. You can turn it, move the text. Let's give background to the letters. Let's make letter emboss. You can change the font. We choose this font. That's it. We have created YouTube thumbnails using pixellab within 5 minutes. Please subscribe to the channel. Share it if you like it. Now save it. You want transparency, choose PNG. Custom, choose high quality. You can share it to drive or give some name. Or you can simply save to the gallery. Thanks for watching the video.